Hello friends. Today, we are going to talk about Realme Narzo 10. Realme Narzo 10 is going to start selling on the 18th of May 2020. Some techies have already got it. I'm going to give an overview of the phone, based on their reviews. First, let's talk about the display. The display has only 720p resolution. You can't watch full HD videos on the phone. Realme Narzo 10 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 processor. It is a good processor. So, performance is good on the phone. Also, the Realme UI makes it faster. It has an Antutu benchmark score of 203K. Now, let's talk about the gaming performance. We can get up to ultra frame rate, which is 40 FPS in smooth graphics in PUBG. You can get 40 FPS on balanced graphics also. In HD graphics, you can get high frame rate, which is 30 FPS. You can't get HDR graphics. After one classic match, battery drops around 10%. The phone heats up to 40 degrees Celsius. I think that's a bit high. The rear camera photos are really good on the phone. But the video and front camera are not that good. I think I helped you decide whether to buy Realme Narzo 10 or not. You can get Realme 6 if you increase your budget by 2000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.